All right, we're ready to do the top coat, which is again poly 90 and clear version of poly 90 for the top coat of this flake system. Same thing you did for your base, but you're just not adding pigment. Equal parts of A and B in here. I think we did 8 and 8. Again, this is just a mock-up area, so I'm keeping it simple. I'm adding equal parts of A and B together, mixing it, mechanically mixing it, making sure the product marries together. And you want to do the sides and up and down. Again, you notice I'm kind of going fairly low speed. You don't want to whip a bunch of air into it. There's no need for that. You just want to mix it. Okay. Toby's going to put it on pause here, and we'll show you putting the clear coat on. So I'm going to put the clear coat on. The cool thing about poly 90 is that it has a great bucket life. A lot of polyaspartic, polyurea products, you put them in a bucket like this. Now this is mixed. It would be kicking over and be done. This product will last in the bucket for a good amount of time. So it's going to allow me to cut in my edges. And I'm just using a chip brush and cutting in the edges because the roller won't be able to go up there real neat. So that's a nice benefit of polyaspartic. So cut in those edges with it, and then we'll go to our roller pan here. And we're just going to roll this coat of poly 90 on. Now, if you have a bigger floor, bigger than this mock-up, which most floors are, right? It would be recommended to pour the product on the floor, and we have a flat squeegee. It's a red squeegee, or you can use a magic trowel and pull the product around with the trowel and then back roll it. In this case, we're just going to roll it on the floor, okay? So putting it on with a pouring it and then back rolling it will allow it to grout better than rolling it like I am right now. You can see I have a few flakes in my roller, not a ton. If you were getting a ton, it means you didn't sweep good enough. Well, a couple areas maybe we could have swept just a little bit better, but we're trying to do a demo here. So anyway, again, grouting with a squeegee is a good practice to do. And what you do is you pour it on the floor and you squeegee it, and then you come and back roll it with the roller. But it's a very simple product to lay out. It lays out very nice and is very simple to apply. And the other benefit is you don't see us wearing a mask. It's 5 grams per liter VOC. It's a very low VOC product. VOC stands for volatile organic compounds, and those are the things that you really don't want to breathe. And many products are in the hundreds of VOCs. 100 grams, 400, 500 grams per liter VOC up in there. This is, again, 5 grams per liter VOC, so it's a very good product, safe to use. But that's the clear coat. So the clear coat's done. The other thing you can see that we've taped it. I'm going to let it sit just a little bit, but never let this sit overnight with tape on it. You're going to essentially glue it to the floor if you do. So never let your tape sit overnight. If we're careful, we could probably just pull it off now. Here, I'll have to pick underneath that. It's not fun pulling tape off with rubber gloves on, actually. But anyway, that's the top coat of poly 90 in our one-day system.